it looks like my mom and I have created a little drama for ourselves.
You think you can make that?
Try not to let it take over my body. And the water level is probably like right there.
Hey everyone, I'm Louie. My dog William and I have been living in a van off and on for a little over 2 years now. So far we have adventured through 21 states and 3 Canadian provinces. We've climbed, hiked, and have met a bunch of awesome nomads along the way. After a few months break living in a house through the beginning of the pandemic, we have built out a whole new van and hit the road again. This time, caravanning with my mom and her pup Lady. Thanks for watching and subscribe to find out where we end up each week.
So it looks like my mom and I have created a little drama for ourselves. We are down a dirt path and it rained 2 days in a row while we were here, and there are massive puddles and that are like 6 inches deep. I don't have very good clearance and my muffler is hanging very low. So my heart is beating really fast right now. Oh, it's gonna be fine though.
It's gonna be fine once you wire it up, especially.
We are in a bit of a tizzy, so I'm going to lift my muffler up to make the chances of water getting in a little bit less. Ugh. I'm not excited about this. This is what I've MacGyvered to lift up my muffler that was already hanging very low. And the water level is probably like right there. If I told you I'm not freaking nervous at all about doing this, that would be a massive lie. I'm nervous as shit. Oh my god. Woo, it's gonna be fine though. We're gonna make it through.
It's pretty deep.
Yeah.
You think you can make that?
Well, I'm hoping. It's too late now.
Well, you know what you do? Just drive straight through.
Okay.
Don't stop.
Okay. Made it through the first one. Oh my god. I hate this.
Stop. Steady.
Okay.
Yeah, you got it.
Ooh. My side things definitely bumped, but that's fine.
You're good. You got through it.
This is like a video game.
Should I hit it straight on, or I could actually just go like this? I don't know. Can you go that angle?
Yep. I could definitely go this angle.
Yeah.
Okay, how does that guy look?
This one's good. Just go the angle I went. Oh, it's not deep at all. Yeah, just go steady through both of those. I wouldn't even stop. I would just go.
Oh, something. It's my the steps. Oh shit.
The silver things, I can see them hitting. You need to take those off.
Yeah.
Yep. You did it!
Yeah! Oh, snap! Don't celebrate too early. Quick inspection of the van. Huh? Yeah, it's just those are. Ooh, look at my exhaust pipe. Ugh. Yeah. Okay, well, it looks like we're good for now. That was so scary. It's over though. First event of the day. Way to wake you up. Oh, I'm just so happy. Oh my god. Oh, that was so fun, huh, William? Now that that is over, we are going to drive to Glacier National Park. We're about 20 minutes away. Jesus. Hey everybody, I'm glad you came back this week. We're just having a look at the maps, eating some lunch, and decompressing from earlier this morning. And I bought a magnet. I buy a magnet in every national park I go to, except I didn't buy one in Olympic, but nothing was open. Yeah. Another one too, another one. So after a really wild morning, we have made it onto the Going to the Sun Road in Glacier National.
I want a kayak.
It's also National Public Lands Day, so it's free to get into the park for me. I was gonna buy a new annual pass because mine expired, but she's like, it's free today, and I was like, oh. Score! That's what happens when you live in the mountain and the middle of the woods and BLM land all the time. You never know what's
What's happening? When you're
It's like, I don't think my camera can do this justice. The views, and we're just talking about how we feel like we need to be better conservationists, trash-wise, and yeah. This is our world, guys.
Yeah.
This is the world we need to preserve. We need to make sure that glaciers stay around forever. Look at it!
This is amazing. I'm like in tears practically because
It's so high up here.
I just don't see how people can come here and then go back to their normal lives and not be changed.
Yeah, that's how I feel too.
Yeah.
Mom. Don't mind my hat here, but
Wow, so they get like hardcore snow in those right in the Blackfeet
reservation probably. I don't know if anything's as high up as here, but I'm sure they get snow. This is cool. You could go from low elevation to high elevation.
That was amazing, the change.
So cool. I love experiencing weather.
Mother Nature must love us because we are always super lucky with weather.
Yeah, look, this was all the mountains and everything, Heaven's Peak and everything, and now it's all clouded over.
Yeah, and it's snowing, like heavy snowing. It's amazing. I'm telling you, I just feel so.
That was pretty lucky
I
because
feel so loved by the universe, and this is why we have to take better care of
the theme of this
the
video.
planet. I mean, the planet.
The theme of this video is that. Lady, what did you do that you weren't supposed to do? Huh? What did you do? Say it.
I jumped off the bed.
I jumped off the bed when I'm not supposed to jump. Or run for 3 more weeks. But she's happy to be outside. And William's happy to be outside too.
I want this in my nose memory. It smells like a Yankee candle. Forest.
The world's most chocolatey hot chocolate. I'm fine with that.
It's hella good.
Oh.
William's like, can I have some chocolate?
Good morning. It is day 2 of Glacier National Park. And we are parked on a roadside turnout and we're about to drive to the park. Today is a beautiful sunny day compared to yesterday. And we're ready to go on a hike.
Yeah.
How are you this morning, Mom?
I'm ready for a hike.
She's
It's
ready. Yeah, I'm really excited.
I'm a little nervous too because it's going to be a hard hike. I thought it was 3.5 miles.
Huh?
I thought it was 3.5 miles.
4 point all together round trip. It's 4.6.
I know I'm even more.
2.3 one way, 2.3 the other way.
Now I'm even more scared.
It's not that bad. Don't worry, she'll be having fun. My job is to push her to her hardest.
I'm scared. That's all right. Nothing a little neurotic can't
Fix. So we're here an hour later than we wanted to be, and there are so many people in the park already. I know it's a weekend, but I feel like even though it's like almost off season, there are just still people everywhere going to national parks all the time, every day. So hopefully we get a spot to park at the hike we want to do. It's the only downside about national parks. They're so beautiful, but they're always so freaking packed with people. It's quite aggravating sometimes. Thus begins our 2-mile hike through grizzly country. Yay! This is how you make sure that you warn the bears that you're here. Bear! Bear! We're coming! Mom's got the bear spray. We're set. She's looking warm. It's gonna take us forever to get down this trail because we're just messing around the whole way. Chipmunk. I told you where to go. Chipmunks are evil. Is it there? Louie and Bex headed out. I didn't want to leave. It was so pretty. I could pitch a tent right there. She's so... You're all ready. Welcome to the life of van life, where things break even though you think you do them well. It's just like living on a boat. Everything is going to break because it moves around, and there's always something that is going to be broken. So if you already live this life, you probably already know. If you want to live in a moving vehicle, just be prepared to fix stuff like at least once a week. Unless you're like really good at doing things the first time and designing a build that keeps everything in place really well. Because let me tell you, I'm always fixing something and having to like use my creativity to fix it on the road even though I don't have the stuff I need. So we're gonna try to re-terminalize this wire here. And we're in the parking lot of the visitor center here, so lots of people keep staring at me. They're like, what is she doing? Can we fix it? Yes, we can. Bob the Builder. Bob the Builder. Dun, dun, dun. Bob the Builder. Power's fixed, and now I'm cooking some buffalo tofu to go with our beans and rice. Cheap meals for cheap gals.
We earned this meal.
Yeah, we did. We hiked. Lady, looking out. Yeah, if I saw the aurora, borealis, I wouldn't believe it. I'm a little bit skeptic.
You don't think it's real?
No, I'm skeptic about it happening now, but it's almost dark, all the way dark, so we'll know.
I need to look up like what time of evening, nighttime it kind of.
We did no research for this.
Well, you did research. You looked up.
I just said to go. The only thing it said was to come here.
Oh.
We're trying to see the aurora borealis. We're trying to see the aurora borealis right now. Don't think it's gonna happen. Do you think it's gonna happen?
It's gonna happen.
I just want to see the aurora borealis. We're gonna do this every night while we're here.
If it doesn't happen tonight, it's gonna happen by the time we leave.
That'd be awesome.
Okay, I'm gonna check for bears.
We're all spooked about bears still. It's my mom's main priority in life right now.
Oh my god, shut up.
You're so sensitive.
Don't blame me for keeping us safe. That's what moms do.
Hey everyone, so I think I might have popped the fuses on all of my lights when I was trying to reconnect some of the wires from my solar panels. It touched my fuse box. So I think it probably popped the fuses, so I have to go investigate that tomorrow. So anyways, I'm saying goodbye to y'all from the dark and the help of my little headlamp. And I just wanted to say thank you for watching this video. It's been a pretty packed weekend, and I hope you enjoyed coming along for the ride with us. If you're new to this channel and you liked this video, click the subscribe button in order to follow along with my mom and my journey throughout the USA, and I will see y'all in the next one. Woo! Good night. Just so y'all can see, it's hella dark out here. So dark.